Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You open Blox Studio and immediately find the Lightning asset you will edit. First, make sure you work in a copy of the place so you can revert. Once located, inspect the Lightning hierarchy, beam, particle emitter, and any light sources. You need edit privileges on those objects. Next, check color sequence or color properties. These control visible color. Start by changing a single color entry so you can observe the effect, and then save a version before scripting. Now you edit the properties and script the change so it works in-game. For particle emitter or beam, update the color sequence to include your new RGB keys. This blends colors along the effect. Then modify any point light or surface light color to match so the glow reads consistently. Once done, create a short script that sets effect. Color equals color sequence. New color 3. From RGB 255, 150, or uses tween service for smooth transitions. Make sure to run it where it replicates to clients, typically on the server. Finally, test thoroughly and finish packaging. Run play solo, then start server with clients to confirm replication and that the color appears for all players. If you want dynamic changes, use tween service for smooth shifts and avoid abrupt swaps. Make sure values are within valid ranges and avoid overly dense particles that hurt FPS. If something goes wrong, confirm your script runs in the correct context. Server scripts for shared effects, local scripts for client-only visuals, and that your object references are accurate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.